Hey Alive readers, happy April! I'm so excited to share all of the fun springtime articles and recipes we have lined up for you in the April issue of Alive. This month, we're diving into immune health and eco-conscious efforts with a healthy dose of springtime energy. As we embrace the season of change, I'm taking a moment to breathe in all that fresh time goodness, and I invite you to do the same. With Earth Day coming on April 22nd, it's a time that also reminds me to focus on the health of our planet and to consider ways that we can all pitch in for a more sustainable future. This issue is packed with tips to help us do just that. As I step into spring, I'm making it a priority to keep my health in check this season. My girls and I are planning a vegetable garden this year so that they too can enjoy the benefits of healthy, whole foods. I hope this issue helps you to remember how the outdoors can help restore, recharge, and remind us of how amazing it feels to be out there. Rain or shine, your immune system will thank you. Pick up a copy of our April issue of Alive at your local natural health retailer. Happy reading!